Hello.
Vlog update. So we're building the frame for the kitchen cabinet. That's where the drawer goes. And then under here we have, so here's the drawer first. If that works. Something like that. I'm gonna slide in there, I don't know.
Yep.
And then we're gonna have the doors that will like slide like that. Doors will slide like that. And they'll be under this. So you'll have that, I made that thing with like top rivets. And then that will be like, oops, it won't come out like that. They'll be like stuck in the middle so they can't come too far. And we'll just like, I don't know, cut a circle or something.
Yeah.
Just like that. Yep.
Hot.
Ooh. And then we're just gonna attach this thing to the wall with that. Yeah, so that's the rail for the drawer, and that's gonna attach the frame to the wall. All that. And then we'll just put another one on the side and attach it to that wall. Yep.
And then
frame.
all that goes where?
Here. From here or something?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
So there's drawers and drawer, sliding door, and then a nursing.
Yeah, neat.
Woo.
Oh, so here we're just cutting out the panels for the drawer for the kitchen cabinet.
Yep.
Yeah, you measured them all up for me, which was great, and now I'm just cutting along the lines.
Okay, cool. Hello there.
Hey! So here's our cabinet progress.
Hi up.
It's not screwed to the wall or floor yet, but we have the drawer sit here, and it'll attach. We'll have a rail at the back and rails here for it to sit on. Rail at the back here, and rails here, and then it just slides out like that. Kitchen drawer.
Cool.
And then down the bottom here we'll have like the lower cabinet. We're going to have a sink here, we'll find a bench top. Put a bench top here, cut a hole in it, have a sink here, and then the wastewater underneath, and we'll probably just have stashed somewhere this guy. And
Yep.
fill up the sink with that. And whatnot. Instead of worrying about a pump or anything like that, just have sink, because that's probably better and easier. And then at the bottom here we'll have like sliding doors. We'll just sit in a rail like this.
There'll be like a double rail thing.
Yep.
On the bottom as there is on the top.
Cool. And
Yeah.
then they just work like that, and these bits will be filled up.
Yeah, we'll put something over that.
Yep. And then I'll just sit you there.
Yeah.
But these will overlap so that they don't cross over. And then you got